Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. And today's video is going to be an unboxing of ITK, this moisturizing cream. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. So yeah. So this is what the packaging looks like. I kind of peeked inside of it before I did an unboxing just to kind of see it. And that's all that's in there. And then you get a QR code that you can scan. And you get this cream that is like moisturizer pretty much. Moisturizer cream. So yeah, and then you open it like this. Obviously you unscrew it, and then it looks like that. I haven't tested this out yet. This one's kind of already open whenever I took it off, because this is the first time I took off the lid on that, and look, it kind of is already open. So yeah, not like that's a problem, but it looks like somebody might have looked at it and see what was in there. And you also scan this little thing on here, and it shows the ingredient list on the back. Yeah. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Oh yeah, and this is Brooklyn and Bailey's like skincare brand. So yeah, go check their skincare brand out. I haven't tried this out. If you want me to do like a review video, this is an unboxing video of how this is. Make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and comment that you want a review video. See y'all. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day. If you're a channel subscriber, thank you so much. See y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day. Oh yeah, these would make great stocking stuffers. Oh yeah, and one other thing. They should have like a gift set. So like if you just want like to test out like their products and see kind of what works for you. Like a gift set like with like sample sizes would be awesome. And a gift set without sample sizes would be awesome. Like especially for the holidays. But they do not have that yet. So somebody, if they're watching this and they watch Brooklyn and Bailey's channel, they should like comment that on there. That would be awesome for them to do like sample sizes and have like a gift set and that, and then like have a gift set and non-sample sizes. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See y'all. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day.